Jordan, don't you pull out in front of people, man. I'm telling you, they don't know how to drive at all. But anyways, I figured I'd take you along today on a mobile service that I have to do. It's not necessarily a service. It's I did a drive belt on a really good customer of mine. She's a great person. I really like her a lot. But it was in the middle of this most recent storm that we had a few days ago, and the only person around here to have a belt, it was a 1/2 inch 38 black belt. It's got to be black. It can't be the fiber coated ones. The fiber coated ones don't work very good on snowblowers because the pulleys don't grip. There's not a lot of heat. You know, the fiber ones heat or work very well in the summertime because the belt's warmer and it'll stick to the pulley. But if you try to put a fiber one on a snowblower, it's a 50-50 chance it's going to work. And I like using these regular automotive belts. They're the Daco Gold Label ones. They're pretty good. But anyways, we're going to head over to her house real quick. And I'm going to take the crane truck here, pick it up on the back of the bed, stick you guys on a window, and let you guys watch me replace a brand new belt that I just replaced. The belt that I just put in it was an old one. It had been probably sitting since the late 70s, early 80s. It was an old Gates belt, old. But it was only 1/2 inch 38 that I could find in my area. So, you know, I took a chance, and it is what it is. So we'll go back and pick this machine up, do it right there at her house. Wow, it's the feds in a helicopter. You hear them? Sons of bitches. All right, let's head over there, get this thing fixed for her. Crooked as hell. Yeah, that's better. Up the tools, back to the shop for the next job. Never ending, always fun. Oh. Well, another one down. That was a pain. There's that old crusty belt, and you can see this is the side that was getting worn, not the side that actually goes into the pulley. Brand new belt. What I think happened is the guide fell down in there. You know, the one belt guide. And if you're looking at the machine on the left side, the guide fell down and just started running this belt. And obviously, they can't handle that kind of heat. So, was it mechanic's error? Was it the belt error? Was it a mixture of both? Was it the belt was super old from late 70s, early 80s? Was it whatever? Was it the machine's fault? Did ice get stuck in it? Who knows? Doesn't matter. Got her a brand new belt. Got her all set up. She should be good to go. Hopefully everything works out good for her. Like I said, this customer is a really good customer of mine. I love her to death. She is about the only customer. I got a handful of customers that I'll go to their house and I'll do some stuff for them. It's very, very rare. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you liked what you saw. I'm going to go home, get some lunch, and move on to the next project. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.